In this video, I'm going to be installing Lubuntu, and the version is 24.10. This is the website, and there are a lot of information here that you can read about. So I'm going to click on Install Ubuntu. So this is the installer. So here you can choose your language. This is the location. You can choose your location here. It already detected where I'm located. You can also move this red dot to your location. So this is the keyboard layout. You can choose your language here. You can also test your keyboard here just by typing in this box. So this is the installation mode, and your choices here: full installation, normal installation, which is just web browser, utilities, office, games, and media players. Then minimal installation, and this is only the desktop environment. I'm going to leave it as normal installation. So on additional options, you can download and install updates following installation. I'm going to check that box. And you can also install additional third-party packages: Element, Thunderbird, Virtual Machine Manager, Krita. I'm going to check all these boxes. Click Next. This is the partition section. I'm going to choose Erase Disk. I'll leave it as Swap to File. So this is the file system: Extended 4, BTRFS, and XFS. I'm going to select BTRFS. I'm not going to encrypt the system here. This is the bootloader location. I'm going to leave it as default. I'm going to create an account. I'll type a password. And there are two options here: log in automatically without access for password, or use Active Directory. I'm going to leave both unchecked. And this is a summary of the choices and settings. I'll click Install now. So I'm installing this in a virtual machine. So it's all done. I'm going to restart the computer. So I'm going to log in. So on the lower left side, this is the Start menu. This is Accessories. This is Games, Graphics, Internet, Office, Sound and Video, System Tools, Preferences. This is the LXQt settings. So this is the LXQt version 2.0. This is the feather pad, and this is the text editor. This is the calculator. This is a key event manager. So there's a password manager here, Qt Pass. So there's Vim text editor. So on graphics, there's a screen grab. And here I can take screenshots for this. So Firefox is installed. I'll check the version of Firefox. It's 131.0. VLC Media is installed. On System Tools, there's the Discover app. These are all the installed apps. So they are listed by categories here. So I'm going to install Qt. I'm going to click on Launch. So it's listed here under Programming. This is the KDE Partition Manager. There's a Virtual Machine Manager. So I'll open the File Manager app. I have some pictures here. I'm going to right-click the picture and I'm going to open with LXQt. I'll open the Documents folder. I have a PDF document here. So this is the version of the PDF viewer. So I'll right-click the panel. And I have all these options here. I can configure Task Manager. This is the Task Manager settings. I'll configure panel. I can increase the size of the panel. So this is styling. This is widgets. So this is the terminal. It's called the Q terminal. So I'm going to check the kernel version. I'll type uname -r. So the kernel version is 6.11. So I'll type echo $xdg_current_desktop. So the desktop environment is LXQt. I'll check the snap list. And this is the list. So to show a list of packages that I installed, I'm going to type this command, tablist -- installed. So I'm going to right-click the desktop, click on Desktop Preferences. I'm going to click on Background, and I'm going to change the wallpaper. I'll click on Browse, and these are lists of the wallpapers. It's on the lower right side. This is the time and date. This is the network icon. This is the clipper icon. This is the volume icon. So this is just a quick look of Lubuntu 24.10. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.